Hi, welcome to my channel, and I'll be showing you on how to fix the live caption. It's not working. So as you can see, I'm recording on the monitor 1 on the right side of position, and I'm using this monitor. I'll show you on the monitor 2. Here is the monitor 2 on the left position. I'm recorded in this second monitor. Now we go back to the issue. So when we open the live captions, as you can see, it's not showing on the monitor 1, and it's not showing on the monitor 2. To fix this issue, it's very simple. Right click the screen, go to show more options, display settings, and then as you can see, I have two monitors. However, the position was not properly set, so I believe this is a bug on Windows. To fix this, you just have to switch the position from 1 and 2 to 2 to 1, like this, and apply. So I'm recording to the monitor 2, but if we go to other window, here is the result. Here is the live caption. I fix it by just switching the two monitors position. So I hope this helps you the live caption issue. Thank you for watching my channel. And please leave a like and subscribe my channel. I hope to see you again.